All right, you hear me say all the time, tools make the job. Let me show you one of the coolest tools I've seen in a long time. And I didn't actually pick this out. I came over to put some trim up for my son, and he had this tool already. Now, I'm used to the old-fashioned way. Find the stud and hear the dog. With this thing, you just push the little button down, and as you come across, it lights up and shows you exactly where the stud is. We got a double stud here. Go on across. This area had some extra work done, and you can see where every single board is without having to do any major stuff. These are great. You pick it up at the local box store. This one is called Franklin Sensors. Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.